Welcome to the best picks. The best egg chair cushions is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to transform your beloved hanging oasis from merely decorative to an ultimate sanctuary of comfort, instantly revitalizing its look and feel while providing the perfect plush support for endless hours of relaxation, making every moment spent in your egg chair a truly luxurious escape. Number 5. Hanging basket seat cushion. Upon arrival, your new cushion is vacuum compressed for shipping. Gently pat it and allow 5 to 7 days for it to fully restore its original plumpness and comfort. This cushion features a generously plump and thick inner filling. Its outer fabric is both comfortable and breathable, ensuring a relaxing experience. Designed with convenient straps, it allows you to easily adjust the position of both the cushion and its integrated headrest. This ensures personalized comfort for you. Both sides of this replacement cushion are fully usable. It's crafted to help relieve body fatigue and stress, providing ultimate relaxation. Keeping it fresh is simple, as this hanging chair cushion is completely washable. For any questions, feel free to contact us. What we like? This cushion offers a plump, thick filling and adjustable straps for personalized comfort. Its double-sided design and washable fabric ensure longevity and easy maintenance. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-care-for cushion that you can customize to your liking, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points as the source content was empty. Number 4. Dark gray hanging egg chair cushion. Transform your hanging egg chair into a haven of relaxation. This cushion offers unparalleled softness and support, making every moment in your chair a pure delight. Designed with an invisible zipper, its cover is easily removable for quick cleaning. Plus, its extra thick design ensures you stay comfortable and breathable, even during long periods of sitting. Crafted from a wear-resistant, soft, and skin-friendly material, it resists pilling and fading. Filled with high-rebound PP cotton, it maintains its shape and provides full, lasting support. Measuring 42.7 by 31.5 by 6 inches, this cushion is perfectly sized for most egg chairs. Please note, only the cushion is included, not the chair itself. This versatile cushion isn't just for egg chairs, it fits various seating like wicker chairs, swing chairs, and garden chairs. Whether indoors or outdoors, it's an ideal choice for enhancing comfort. It arrives conveniently in a vacuum bag. Simply remove it, pat it gently a few times, and watch it fluff up to its full, described comfort and shape. What we like? This cushion stands out with its invisible zipper, allowing for a removable and easy-to-clean cover. Made from wear-resistant, soft fabric with high-rebound filling, it promises lasting comfort. If you prioritize hygiene and durability with effortless cleaning, this cushion is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. Number 3. Thick hanging egg chair cushion. Experience unparalleled relaxation with this luxurious cushion. It's designed to transform your swing chair into a haven of comfort. Crafted with high-quality, thick stuffing, it offers exceptional softness and support. This makes it the perfect addition to your outdoor or indoor space. Featuring a smart strap design, it stays firmly in place. This ensures uninterrupted comfort during your leisure time. Its generous size perfectly cradles your body, providing ultimate comfort. This helps to relieve body fatigue, letting you unwind completely. Arriving in a vacuum-sealed package, it needs a little time to regain its full form. Simply let it sit for a few days, or use a dryer for a quick refresh. Whether in your cozy bedroom or a vibrant courtyard, it seamlessly enhances your decor. Enjoy its comfort wherever you choose to relax. We are committed to ensuring your complete satisfaction. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like? This cushion features high-quality, thick stuffing designed to provide exceptional softness and comfort. Its strap design ensures the cushion stays securely in place, offering uninterrupted relaxation. If you are seeking maximum plushness and a secure fit that truly cradles your body to relieve fatigue, this option is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Mozaic Home Atlantis Egg Chair Cushion. Experience unparalleled relaxation with this premium egg chair cushion. It's designed to transform your seating into a cozy retreat. Crafted from high-quality polyester, it offers both comfort and durability. This material ensures long-lasting enjoyment. Each package includes one luxurious egg chair cushion. Please note that the furniture itself is not part of this offering. Its cover is securely integrated, ensuring a sleek and consistent look. This design means the cover cannot be removed. Feel good about your purchase, as its fill is made from 100% recycled polyester. This commitment to sustainability helps protect our planet. This quality cushion is proudly manufactured in North America. It reflects a dedication to craftsmanship and local production. What we like. This cushion boasts an eco-friendly fill made from 100% recycled polyester, making it a sustainable choice. Crafted with durable polyester and made in North America, it offers reliable quality. If you value environmental responsibility and prefer products with a strong commitment to sustainability and local manufacturing, this cushion is a great match. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, it is not possible to extract any points as requested. Number 1. BUYUE Glider Rocker Replacement Cushion Set. This comprehensive 5-piece set includes everything you need: a seat, backrest, 2 armrests, and an ottoman cushion. Designed to perfectly fit your glider rocking chair, it ensures a snug and secure experience. Integrated ties keep them firmly in place, so you can relax without worry. Crafted from 100% polyester with a silicone anti-slip bottom, these cushions offer superior support and stability. Their quality fabric enhances both the look and feel of your chair, making it warmer and more inviting. Plus, they arrive in a compact package, reducing carbon emissions. Experience ultimate comfort with their high-density material, designed to evenly distribute pressure and support your spine. They help you achieve a relaxed state, making tiredness disappear and keeping you warm. These versatile cushions are perfect for various settings, from home to office. Made from original linen fabric with a neutral pH, they are breathable and crease-resistant, complying with national standards. The seat cushion features a convenient zipper, allowing you to easily remove the cover for machine washing. This ensures hassle-free maintenance and long-lasting freshness. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We stand by these cushions with a 90-day, no questions asked refund guarantee. Our excellent customer service team is always ready to assist you. What we like. This unique offering is a comprehensive 5-piece set, complete with cushions for the seat, backrest, armrests, and ottoman. It features high-density foam for superior support and an anti-slip bottom to keep everything in place. If you own a glider rocker and are looking for a full, coordinated cushion upgrade that provides ultimate comfort and stability, this complete set is exactly what you need. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.